Welcome back to Market Pros, and let's get right into it. All right, so here we have Atlas. We are on FTX on the 4-hour. All right, so we are finding support on the 100 as of now. Looks like we're in this descending channel, so we definitely want to bounce from here. Your RSI is in the bearish control zone, below the signal line. Let's see here. We do have bullish divergence on the 4-hour. MACD is below the zero line though. Below the signal line, your negative momentum is increasing 1 bar so far on the histogram. It was decreasing, excuse me. So your volatility is heading up. We are making lower highs, lower lows. But like I said, we're in this descending channel. And so if we break down below this, first stop is 0.0283. If we don't stop there, I think we come down to this purple box, around 2.5 cents. If we break this purple box, I think we make a new all-time low. Now, levels to the upside, we need to get back above this last local high at 0.0327, so a little over 3 cents. I think we would break this last high at 0.0346. If we can break this purple region, there's a lot of hot air here. I think we come all the way back up to, basically 0.043473. And if we can break that, I think we go all the way up to 5.5 cents. So there's Atlas on the 4-hour. Let's go down to the 1-hour. All right, so here on the 1-hour, as you can see, some of these closures are outside of the descending channel, but on the 4-hour, we were on the closures. So we are in the bearish control zone, are below the signal line, fresh cross to the downside as your negative momentum is increasing. We need a bounce here, for sure. We need to get back above this last high because all your moving averages have negative slopes. We don't want them to fan back out, or that'll start building trend and momentum to the downside. Now, yeah, so we definitely want to bounce here. Your volatility's heading up as the price action's heading down. I already gave you the validation and invalidation levels to the upside and the downside. I mean, we are right on the line. Now, this could be a double bottom, especially if Bitcoin's having a double bottom. So yeah, definitely pay attention to Bitcoin, pay attention to Atlas, pay attention to these levels. Let's move on to Polis. All right, so here we have Polis. Your moving averages did get bearish crossovers. They do have negative slopes besides for the 200, but it takes a while to catch up. RSI, bearish control zone below the signal line. MACD, fresh cross to the downside. Well, this could be a test. If we do get a fresh cross to the downside, and our RSI stays in the bearish control zone, I think we make a new low, which would not look good. Volatility's heading up as the price action's heading down. Now, we're basically testing the bottom of, this sort of range. You had this big bull trap here, but then it fell back down into the range. We drew this descending channel, but it did break bearish. You see how powerful these moves are once a bullish pattern breaks bearish? Definitely something to pay attention to. Now, if Bitcoin is making a double bottom here, I would expect Polis, and Atlas, we just looked at Atlas, to both have double bottoms and follow Bitcoin. So pay attention to Bitcoin, definitely, because then the altcoins will probably follow. So those are my thoughts on Atlas and Polis. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.